Well, Guy, with Oklahoma and Texas joining the league, the city of Hoover will be hosting all 16 SEC teams, not just the normal 12. That means thousands of more fans will be flocking to the city, which will help boost area businesses' bottom lines. Over 6 days in the spring, a record 180,000 fans packed into the Hoover Met for the SEC baseball tournament. Courtney Jones helps manage the nearby Walk-On's restaurant, which also served as a food vendor in the tournament's fan zone.
So we were busy both because we had fans come watch the games here, and we had fans down there actually watching the games, so we were feeding everybody.
Over the last few years, Hoover has spent $14 million to upgrade the stadium's locker rooms and give the Mets parking lot and main entrance a facelift.
Everything that we have done here is directed towards making this attractive for the SEC baseball tournament.
Tonight, the city is set to vote to keep the popular event in town. A new deal with the SEC would lock up the tournament through 2028, with options for 2 more years. Included is another $11 million in upgrades to fan experiences inside the stadium.
Bringing more suites, updating the chairs, possibly putting some areas out on the third or first base side that would be very fan friendly. And we're doing this because we want to keep the SEC here.
And continue to boost profits for area eateries, feeding off the fan frenzy that investment helps fuel.
I'm very excited with it. We got 4 more years with it, so we're going to make those 4 years count.
While the city continues to add its quarter-of-a-century history of hosting the event. Well, following the City Council's vote tonight, the Hoover Parks and Rec Board must also approve the contract. That's tomorrow night, and we expect an official announcement between the City of Hoover and the SEC on Thursday. Live in Hoover, John Papke, WVTM 13.